Hello, my name is Echo, just in case you're new here. I'm wearing a very shiny shirt today. So I have been spending a fair bit of time on TikTok, don't make fun of me, because every other social media platform at this moment in time just makes me so sad. So I've been getting on TikTok. Don't sleep on TikTok, my bros. It was in this awful, bitter, cringy stage, but now it's slowly getting to its ripe Vine stage, and there is a fair bit of real good content on TikTok right now. However, I'm a little bit angry at TikTok, if I'm gonna be honest. Specifically, one TikTok. There is a single video that keeps popping up on my feed, and I see it work for so many people. It's just a stupid video of a girl turning a printed piece of paper into a temporary tattoo, and I want that in my life. All she does is she takes the printed piece of paper and she sprays it with perfume and then puts it in water for 3 minutes, sprays it with perfume again, sprays her arm with perfume, and then puts pressure on it, and it just becomes a tattoo. I keep seeing lots of other people try it too, and it works for them, and I want that to be me. So the first time I tried it, I was using these old perfumes that I got at the dollar store forever ago. I don't even remember why I own these. It didn't work. It didn't work at all. So I watched some other videos about this, and someone actually recommended body spray instead of perfume. So I went to Walmart and I got 2 different kinds of body spray. This one is pretty cheap. This one's a little bit more expensive. I've printed a ton of old artwork and some clip art and stuff, and I'm gonna try and get this to work. If this doesn't work, I am going to single-handedly cancel TikTok. We're gonna try this stupid TikTok thing and hope it works. Maybe it's one of those things that only works when you do it on camera. Maybe that's the secret. I have 2 old IKEA plates. One I'm gonna fill with water, and then the other one that I'm gonna put the things in so that I can spray them with perfume and hopefully not get it everywhere. We're gonna try it. We're gonna try this weird TikTok DIY. Also, don't forget to reverse anything that you are doing with this. Ben is moving all my stuff. I was also using cold water, and now I'm using warm water, so I'm hoping that's gonna make a difference. Okay, so that's covered in perfume now. Put it in the warm water and wait 3 minutes. So the first set of temporary tattoos that I'm making with this are the sentences, "My battery is low and it's getting dark," because those were the last transmissions sent by the Opportunity rover. Ben, I relate to that sentence. The next thing you have to do is spray your actual skin, and you gotta spray this again right there. Put this on top and just press it down. Let's give it 2 minutes. See? Oh my god, nothing. What am I doing wrong? Let's try a different one. We'll try these little diamonds. I'm gonna soak this stuff this time. We're just gonna go hardcore. That smells very good. That smells pineapple-y. It's supposed to be Vanilla Kiss, but this smells like pineapples. Move it over. I'm gonna let it soak for like 10 minutes. Maybe it's the type of paper that I'm using. Maybe the paper isn't dissolving. Maybe I'll try both perfumes. Okay, I'm just gonna let that sit for 10 minutes. In the meantime, I wanted to go ahead and talk to you about Poshmark, who has been so lovely as to sponsor this video. Have you ever looked into your closet and realized you have a lot of clothes that you don't really wear anymore? So you get a box and then you put that box in the corner of your room and you fill it with a bunch of clothes and tell yourself that you're gonna donate it, and then it just kind of sits there, collecting dust for a really long time. What if I told you you could turn that box of clothes you don't wear anymore into a box of money? Poshmark is kind of like that, but on your phone. It's an app that's designed to let you buy and sell used clothing. I love secondhand clothing. I never buy my clothes new. That's why in every video, I always wear a different shirt. If you click the link in the description, you can download the app for free, and posting is quick and easy. And I have actually listed a bunch of my old clothes for $3 each, so if you see anything here that you might want, get it while you can. My closet name is @echoisweird, of course. So once again, if you want to download the app for free, you can click the link in my description and then go check out my shop. Thank you for listening. Now back to the video. All right, it's officially been 10 minutes. We're gonna try this again. And then I'm gonna take this, just put it right there. Just gonna hold down on that for 5 minutes, and we're gonna pray that it works. So I went back and I reprinted some of the tattoos on some paper that I got when I was in Amsterdam for VidCon. Look at that weird word. So I'm gonna try this again with this little bunny skeleton and a top hat. Okay, let's have a look. It actually transferred like a teeny bit. That makes me think that I need to soak this way more. Okay. Okay, and then we're just gonna let that soak. It's been about 10 minutes. Let's go ahead and give this a try. I'll take this little bunny, place that down, and now we wait. Me and a bunch of my friends went to an exercise pole dancing class yesterday, and I'm so sore everywhere. Send me your thoughts and prayers. Very lightly on there. I will say this, it kind of works, which makes me think that if I can push it hard enough, I can make it work. Let's try this one that's been sitting in this solution for forever. Maybe I just need to let the perfume kind of soak into my arm for a bit. This video involves so much waiting. Why did I do this to myself? Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. I've been spraying this with perfume every 5 minutes and applying pressure. Let's see if anything happened. Transferred a little bit. I don't have any hands though. For this one, I tried to hold the paper and make sure that the perfume only got on the front of it instead of soaking it. I let it sit in the water for 5 minutes and then applied it like normal. So let's see if that did anything. Maybe that's the secret. Maybe you're only supposed to spray one side with perfume. This time, I'm actually gonna try using rubbing alcohol and we'll see how it goes. Just gonna full on soak these. All right, we'll give that a second. Does not smell as good as the perfume, I must admit. And now I'm just gonna let those sit for 5 minutes or so, and then we're gonna try this one last time. Dip it face down in the rubbing alcohol, and then I'm gonna place it on my arm like that, and we're gonna put pressure on it. Is it my skin? I just want temporary tattoos, that's all. Oh, that one's even worse. Okay, let's see how this goes. Try using a hand towel instead of a paper towel. At this point, I have no idea what else to try. The worst part about this is that it's kind of working for me, and I don't know how to get the same intense results that other people are getting. Can a girl get some results? My roommate is gonna get off work in like 5 minutes and then come home, and I'm just gonna be here making the house smell weird. Ready? That one actually didn't come out too bad. I mean, it's not the most intense thing ever, but you can kind of see it. I'm not giving up. I wasted too much printer ink on potential tattoos to give up. I'm gonna keep going. I think it has potential. It worked a little bit. Enough that I'm not going to cancel TikTok. And I'm not giving up because I already bought the perfume and the rubbing alcohol. So I'm gonna keep trying. But if you know what the heck I'm doing wrong, please tell me, because other people's came out so much more cool than this. Is it because I'm not like a tween? Is it my skin? Okay, I'm gonna take off. Thank you for coming with me on this terrible journey. I hope that you have a lovely day and have many more successful temporary tattoos than I did. Go follow me on TikTok. I think my username is just Echo Gillette, because someone else took Echo Was Weird. Give it to me, please. I hope that you have a lovely day. I'm gonna give you 500 awesome points for making it all the way to the end of this video, and hopefully I will see you later. Goodbye. Once again, I would just like to say thank you to Poshmark for sponsoring this video, and if you would like to check out my store, you can download the app by clicking the link in the description. My store name is @echoisweird, and now I think I am done. Okay.